Can a 41-year-old superstar truly defy father time in the cutthroat world of the NBA playoffs? That's the burning question Hollywood is buzzing about as LeBron James gears up for an epic postseason run. His former teammate, Frye, just spilled some exclusive tea to TMZ Sports, revealing that King James has only one thing on his mind: winning, not his age. This isn't just another game. With star players Luka Doncic and Austin Reeves sidelined indefinitely with injuries, the stakes couldn't be higher for the Lakers. Insiders are whispering about the immense pressure on LeBron to carry the team, especially against Kevin Durant and the Rockets. Frye, who won a title with James, insists that despite the grim outlook, LeBron's mindset is simply to secure those victories. While coach J.J. Redick confirms no immediate update on the injured players, the drama is set to explode on the court. Frye's hot take: the Rockets have to win, but the Lakers are playing with free money, making this series a must-watch spectacle with guaranteed drama. Don't miss out on all the celebrity sports action. Hit that subscribe button to stay updated on all the shocking behind-the-scenes scoops.
Join our community for the hottest celebrity gossip and trending news.